No one will believe what you made with the potatoes. Start by slicing a large peeled potato. Cut it in half again, and into smaller pieces. Once you've done that, transfer to a saucepan. Add enough water to cover everything. Cover the pan and cook for 15 minutes. After this time has passed, drain all the water, transfer to a large bowl, and mash everything until you get a puree. When that happens, add 150 milliliters of milk at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast powder, 1 whole egg, and mix everything very well until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Now, add 300 grams of sifted wheat flour and mix. When you can no longer mix with your hands, start kneading until it becomes a smooth and uniform dough. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right consistency. Cover the bowl and let the dough ferment for 20 minutes. After this time has passed, transfer it to a countertop. Add 20 milliliters of vegetable oil. Knead the dough again to add the oil. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Transfer it back to the bowl and let it ferment for another 40 minutes. After this time has passed, knead some more. Transfer to a baking tray lined with parchment paper and let it rise for another 20 minutes. Finally, take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 45 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. Finish by brushing melted butter all over the bread. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.